Hi, third grade. It's time for our spelling test. So I'm going to go ahead and read the words, use them in a sentence, and you write the word down, spell correctly, print or use cursive, but whatever you do, do it neatly. Make sure to dot your I's and cross your T's. Here we go. Number 1, singer. If you sing in the choir, you are a singer. Singer. Number 2, loudly. Some people sing more loudly than others. Loudly. Number 3, joyful. We are joyful during this Easter season. Joyful. Number 4, teacher. Tell your teacher hello and send her a picture of what you're doing. Teacher. I love to share those pictures. Number 5, fighter. The fighter was scheduled to have a boxing match. Fighter. Number 6, closely. We watched the children closely so that no one would wander off. Closely. Number 7, powerful. The bald eagle has a powerful hooked beak and powerful talons. Powerful. Number 8, farmer. The farmer planted seeds for crops. Farmer. Number 9, quickly. If I am reading this too quickly, you can stop and start as you need to. Quickly. Number 10, careful. You must be careful when you are carrying a scissor. Careful. A scissor, a pair of scissors. That's interesting to think about. Number 11, friendly. Our neighbor was so friendly, he waved to us. Friendly. Number 12, speaker. Everyone was quiet so they could hear what the speaker had to say. Speaker. Number 13, wonderful. It was a wonderful day of sunshine and warm temperatures. A wonderful day to honor Mary. Wonderful. Number 14, truly. I truly, honestly hope you have a nice day. Truly. Number 15, hopeful. We are hopeful that soon we can stop having to stay home so much. Hopeful. Number 16, safely. We need to be careful so that we can safely gather together. Safely. Challenge words. Listener. If you are a good listener, you will do well. Listener. And our last word, calmly. The students calmly walked back into the building. Calmly. I'm going to go on now with our lesson in religion. So you can finish up your spelling test and then come back and watch this lesson, or we can just keep going. We're going to go to page 199, which is the end of the chapter review. And we're going to work through this together. Up here in our green rectangle, we have our word bank. A bank is where you save money. Well, this is where we save our words that we need to know. So in our word bank, we have the words Pope, Apostolic, Diocese, Bishop, Magisterium. Remember, magisterium has those first four letters make magi. And if we think about Christmas and the gift of the magi were the wise men, those kings who came. Okay. Number 1, many parishes make up a pope. That doesn't sound right. Many parishes make up well, it can't be apostolic because that starts with an A, and we would need an apostolic, so that's not that. Many parishes make up a diocese. That might be it. Do parishes make up a bishop? Do they make up a magisterium? I'm going to go back just to double check, and I'm going to look on the top of page 195, and the first sentence under leaders of the parish says, dioceses are made up of many parishes. Let's look at number 1. Many parishes make up I think you know the answer now. Number 2, blank succession describes how the authority to lead and teach the church was given to the apostles and passed down to the bishops. And when I look on page 194, I see succession. And I read that definition and it sounds like just what I read. Number 3, the blank is the successor of Peter and head of the entire Catholic Church. I think you know who that is. Peter was our first one. He's also known as the Bishop of Rome, but he has the special title as the leader of the entire Catholic Church. And his name is Francis right now. Number 4, the blank is the teaching office of the church. All of the bishops in union with the Pope, all the teachers, the wise people. Do you remember what I said about wise men? Those wise men who came to see Jesus in Bethlehem when he was a newborn. Number 5, a blank is an ordained man, so he's received holy orders. He's an ordained man who teaches and leads the members of the church, making her holy. And he's the head of the diocese, kind of like Father Cook's boss. Okay? Now, at the bottom, it says match each description in column A with the correct term in column B. You can draw lines or you can write the word next to the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So column A says, helps to guide the Pope. I remember that. After Jesus died, he rose from the dead and ascended into heaven. But then he sent us on Pentecost, he sent down to guide us and to guide the Pope. So would that be helps to guide the Pope? Is that Jesus, the Holy Spirit, the bishop, Peter, or pastor? Number 7. This person chose the apostles to lead the church. He was the first leader of the church. Jesus said, "You are rock, and on this rock I build my church." And he gave the keys of heaven to, this guy's name used to be Simon. And he was the first pope on earth. Number 8. This was the leader of the apostles. Oh, I might have mixed something up here. This was the leader of the apostles and the first head of the church. That's the one who Jesus said, "You're going to lead my people." So you might have used that for number 7. So we'll go back to number 7. This person sent the apostles out to preach the good news of Jesus Christ, including Peter. But number 8, this person was given the special job of leading all of the apostles, all of the church, and becoming the first pope. Number 9, this person leads the diocese, and I think his name is pronounced Jungus, or I'm not real sure with the pronunciation, but yesterday some of you might have filled that in on your religion page. He's alive today, and it's like he's Father Cook's boss. And number 10, this person leads a parish. This is Father Cook, but what's another name for Father Cook? Jesus, Holy Spirit, Bishop, Peter, or pastor? Make your choices carefully. I'll talk to you later.